Not sure what that guy is. Pretty colorful, whatever he is. Just spotted him fly over here a few minutes ago. Wow, that thing's pretty sharp looking, whatever it is. A red-breasted something. Just another bird to be found here at Adirondack Retreats. Pristine nature and just a wonderful setting where it's happening all around you. Continuously some sort of duck or heron or something going by here. The herons up here are about the size of pterodactyls. I've never seen them that big. And I've been seeing a mate and pair running, zipping around here. That oriole's just singing his heart out. Just another of the wild birds found here at Adirondack Retreats. Wild bird watching is your gig. We got it here at Adirondack Retreats. Birds like this and a lot of other ones, orioles and canaries and everything else are all happening and flying around. Oh, that's it. He's gone. Oh no, he isn't. There he is. Still playing himself. Making himself look good for the girls tonight. Or this afternoon, I should say. Okay, signing off. Big hawk circling around over the fields there. Got lost him in the trees. He was hanging out here pretty good for a few minutes. Just so pretty down here. All kinds of ducks flying by and this and... Oh, there's my buddy the oriole. I seem to get him in the viewfinder. Yeah, he'll come closer. And then we'll get a good picture of him here in a few minutes. This is the kind of nature you can expect here. Streamside. Birds serenading you all day, and especially first thing in the morning at your alarm clock. Well, he just won't come close. I'll get him later though. Signing off. Let's see if I can catch this. The one oriole is eating the tent caterpillars. Well, naturally, now that they turned it on, they're stopped. But they were. The one female was eating the tent caterpillars while the male was standing guard. Well, shame I didn't quite catch it in time. Signing off. Another glorious Adirondack morning. here at Adirondack Retreats. Come to Adirondack Retreats, and this is the view that'll greet you most mornings.